well-being habit that I want to share with you is drinking warm water first thing in the morning. Now, according to Ayurveda, you are not supposed to drink water according to the alarm clock that you set or the reminder app that you have installed in your phone, but according to your body's natural urge. Whenever it is signaling you that it is thirsty, that is the time when you're supposed to drink water, except for the first thing in the morning. So Ayurveda believes that if you drink warm water first thing in the morning, it detoxifies your body. It takes away all the toxins that have accumulated in the gastrointestinal tract and it excretes it out of the body. So I've been doing this for the past 1 year and I have genuinely reaped the benefits. I have seen a huge change in how I feel early in the morning, the kind of energy levels that I have, the kind of bowel movements that I have. All of that has been impacted by this one simple habit of drinking 2 to 3 glasses of warm water. Now this does not mean that you have to drink 2 to 3 glasses of warm water. Whatever that your body feels like is enough for it, that is the amount of water that you're supposed to drink. The second well-being habit that I want to share with you guys is incorporating yoga and pranayam in your life. In the last 1 year, I've practiced quite a lot of yoga, and since December I've been not doing it because it's too cold and I'm too lazy. But I'm sure that I'm gonna do it this year very efficiently. And how I'm saying this so confidently is because I've kept a yoga mat right beside my bed, and every time I wake up, it stares back at me and it tells me that
if you're now not doing yoga, there are no excuses really. It's only because of you and your laziness and just you. There's nobody to blame.
The third habit that I'm going to share with you is a little controversial and might make you raise your eyebrows.
Like, I don't know how healthy is it, but yeah.
Over the past 1 year, I've experimented with so many kinds of patterns of eating, the kind of food that works the best for my body, the kind of timings that work best for my body, and something which I've come to realization is that 2 meals a day is more than enough for my body. That's realized this whenever I have a heavy lunch, even around 12:30, not a late lunch but a very early lunch, I
feel a lot of drain of energy. I feel like I don't want to do any work. I want to sleep. I want to take a nap. And this is one habit that I don't want to continue in 2021. Taking afternoon naps is an absolute no-no for me in 2021.
So what I figured out is taking a wholesome meal after breaking my fast. Like I break my fast with few nuts and maybe a fruit if I feel like. Otherwise, after having nuts, after 30 minutes I have a wholesome meal, and then during 5:36 I have my dinner, and in between if I do feel hungry, I have a fruit to snack on, and that's about. And I've been doing this since past few days, and what I've realized is that it is something that has spiked up my productivity levels so much, because now I don't feel like sleeping. My energy levels are high and I get a
good slot of work. I don't have any distractions. I don't think about food. I don't get up from my desk unless it's very important. And I have about good 8 hours just for my work and my studies, and that's the time that I really need for myself, because I need that uninterrupted laser sharp focus, and that's what we all need, right? If you want to progress in life, laser sharp focus is the answer.
Now this doesn't mean that from tomorrow onwards you also have to do the same thing. The reason why I'm sharing this with you is because it took me a lot of trial and error to come to the right kind of thing for me. And if it helps you in some way, I don't want you to experiment with your body, go through the suffering and then come to this realization. You can apply this to yourself gradually. If you become conscious about the kind of food and the amount of food that your body likes, I'm sure that you will come to this realization that you don't need 5 meals a day. That's too much for your body. And also Ayurveda believes that undigested food accumulates in the body and is known as ama in Ayurveda, which is undigested substances, which is very toxic for the body, and if it enters into your cellular levels, it can cause so many diseases. All the chronic lifestyle diseases are majorly because of presence of ama in your body. And if you provide 8 hours of gap between 2 meals, your food is properly digested and there is no more ama or very negligible ama produced, and this takes care of all your lifestyle diseases. I really want to tell you this one thing, that it's it's okay if you have not started everything that you wanted to do right from 1st January. It's never too late. We will begin right now, not the next month, not the next Monday, right now. So yeah, these are my top 3 well-being habits, and I hope that this helped you in some way. And let me know in the comment section below, what are your top habits for the year 2021? What is it that you're trying to incorporate, and how are you trying to incorporate it? I would be more than happy to know about them. Let's interact in the comment section below. Until next time, bye bye, take care.